Good morning, Lily. Wake up, sleepyhead.
Just 5 more minutes, Alex.
No way, it's already 7:30.
Oh no, I feel so tired.
Come on, you have work today.
Right? I almost forgot.
Sit up and stretch a little.
Stretching feels nice.
Coffee is ready, hot and sweet.
You made coffee? You're amazing, Alex.
Of course. Don't forget, you need energy.
I'll drink it fast.
And breakfast?
What do we have today?
Eggs and toast.
Perfect. That's easy and tasty.
I'll cook the eggs. You can make the toast.
Teamwork.
Tea or coffee after breakfast?
Coffee, please. Always coffee.
I knew it. You're predictable.
Maybe, but I like it. Wait, where's my phone?
Again, you lose it every day. Try the kitchen counter.
Got it. You're the best, Alex.
Only for my favorite person. Eat fast, though. The bus comes soon.
Don't rush me. I'm enjoying my breakfast.
Fine. Enjoy 5 more bites.
Deal.
Shoes on?
Almost.
Bag ready?
Yes, got it.
Let's go. Fresh air and morning sun.
Love it. I'm ready.
Today will be a good day.
Yes, coffee, breakfast, and walking with you.
Perfect start to a perfect day.
Couldn't ask for more.
Hey, Lily, are you ready to go?
Almost just finishing my breakfast.
Don't take too long. The bus comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm fast.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet.
Hurry! The bathroom is free now.
Okay, I'll be quick.
Don't take 20 minutes again.
I promise, maybe 10.
Did you pack your bag?
Not fully.
What's missing?
My notebook and charger.
Grab them quickly. I'll check the keys.
Got it.
Shoes on?
Almost.
Don't forget your jacket. It's chilly outside.
Jacket. Got it.
Good. Now we're almost ready. Phone, wallet, keys.
Check.
Perfect. Team ready to leave.
Team Alex and Lily.
Let's walk to the bus stop.
Sure, morning sun feels nice.
Yes, I love mornings with you.
Smiles. Me too.
Are you sleepy now?
A little, but coffee this morning helped.
Good. Coffee power.
Yes, coffee power indeed.
Look, the bus is coming.
Oh no, just in time.
Quick, step inside.
Whew, made it.
Let's find seats near the window.
Perfect. I like looking outside while traveling.
Me too. It's peaceful.
And we can chat during the ride.
Yes, best way to start the day. Today will be fun, Lily.
Yes, exciting day ahead.
Coffee, bus ride, and our little talks.
Couldn't ask for more.
Good morning, Lily. How's your day so far?
Morning, Alex. Pretty good. Just started work.
Nice. Busy already?
A little. I have some emails to answer.
Need help?
Maybe later. Thanks.
What's your first task today?
I need to organize the files.
Sounds simple but important.
Yes, very important.
After that?
I have a meeting with my team.
Oh, team meeting? Exciting?
Kind of. We discuss new projects.
Good. I hope it goes well.
Thanks, Alex.
By the way, lunch plans?
Maybe sandwich today.
Same here. We can eat together.
Perfect. I like having lunch with you.
After lunch, what's next?
I need to work on a report.
Reports can be long.
Yes, but I like writing them.
That's good. Makes work more fun.
And after work?
I plan to go for a short walk.
Nice. Fresh air is good.
Want to join me?
Sure, I could use a break.
And in the evening?
I'll make dinner and relax a little.
Sounds perfect.
Yes, and maybe we can watch a show together.
Great idea.
Today feels busy but fun.
Yes, coffee in the morning, work, lunch, and our chats.
Couldn't ask for more.
I'm glad we spend time together every day.
Me too, Alex. Makes everything better.
Okay, time to focus now.
Right, let's do our best today.
Team Alex and Lily?
Always.
Hi, Lily. I found a table by the window.
Perfect, Alex. I love this spot.
Me too. Sunshine and cozy chairs.
So, what should we order first?
Coffee, of course. Black for me.
Latte for me, please.
Good choice. Sweet and warm.
It's so nice to relax here.
Yes. No rush, no work. Just us.
I like mornings like this.
Me too.
Busy but fun. I had a lot of English lessons,
So, Lily, how's your week been?
a little, but I enjoy it.
Good. Learning something you love is always nice.
And how about you, Alex? Work busy?
Yeah, lots of meetings. But coffee breaks like this make it better.
I agree. Coffee is magical.
By the way, do you want a croissant with your latte?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Great. I'll get two.
Thanks, Alex. You're the best.
I'm happy if you're happy.
You always know how to make me smile.
So, after coffee, maybe we can take a short walk?
That sounds nice. Fresh air and chatting, perfect combination.
Exactly. We can also practice a little English while walking.
Always practicing, huh?
Of course. Fun way to learn.
Today feels really good.
Yes, coffee, sunlight, and your company.
Couldn't ask for more.
Same here, Lily.
I love our little weekend routines.
Me too. Makes the week feel special.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. Busy day so far.
Busy? Same here. Meetings all morning.
Oh, long day already?
Yeah, but hearing your voice makes it better.
You're sweet.
Are you free this afternoon?
I think so. Why?
I thought we could meet for coffee.
That sounds great. What time?
How about 3 p.m.?
Perfect. Same place?
Yes, the coffee shop by the park.
Got it. I'll be there.
Should we grab some snacks too?
Sure, maybe a croissant each?
Good idea. Sweet and simple.
Yes, and we can talk while eating.
By the way, did you finish the English lesson I sent you?
Not yet. I'll read it before we meet.
Okay, no rush, just curious.
I like reading it. Makes me think.
That's the point. Fun way to practice.
I'm glad we do this every week.
Me too. Weekend coffee is my favorite.
Mine too.
Oh, don't forget your notebook if you want to take notes.
Notebook ready. And my pen too.
Perfect. We'll practice a little and relax a little.
Sounds like a plan.
I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Same here, Alex. Can't wait.
Okay, see you at 3 then.
Yes, see you.
Thanks, Lily. Have a good rest of the day.
You too, Alex. Goodbye.
Bye. Hey, Lily. Ready for our walk?
Hi, Alex. Yes, the weather is so nice today.
I love sunny mornings like this.
Me too. Makes me feel happy and calm.
So, where do you want to go first?
How about the lake? It's peaceful there.
Good idea. I haven't been there in a while.
Me neither.
Look at the ducks.
Oh, they're so cute.
Want to feed them some bread?
Yes, but just a little.
Okay, I'll throw some over there.
They're coming fast.
Ha 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 ha. Careful, they might steal it from your hand.
Oh no, one grabbed it.
The water looks so clear.
Yes, perfect reflection of the trees.
Let's take a few photos.
Good idea. I want to remember this moment.
Smile.
Smiles. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Click.
Perfect.
After the lake, do you want to walk through the garden?
Yes, I love flowers.
Me too. They make everything colorful.
And peaceful.
Look at those tulips.
Wow, so bright and pretty.
Let's sit on that bench for a while.
Good idea. I like watching the garden quietly.
Today feels really nice, Lily.
Yes, sun, ducks, flowers, and your company.
Couldn't ask for more.
Same here.
Shall we plan another outing next weekend?
Absolutely. Maybe a small hike?
Perfect. Fresh air and nature again.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's enjoy this moment first.
Yes, walking, talking, laughing. Just perfect.